Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a protection and cleansing spell jar designed to ward off negativity and create a strong energetic shield. It'll keep unwanted influences out of your space. This is a simple but powerful way to maintain a spiritual protection in your home, or you can carry it with you for personal defense. Let's make some magic. So this is all my ingredients for the protection spell jar. Any of these ingredients, if you don't have them, don't worry, I'm going to list some alternatives below in the comments, and I will make a full list of these in the comments, so do check that out. But yes, don't worry if you don't have every ingredient. There are some easy swaps you can use. I will list them below for you. But today I have got some crushed eggshell, some cinnamon, some rosemary, frankincense, Himalayan salt, black salt, lavender, tourmaline chips, and a bay leaf. I'm also going to be using black wax to seal the jar. I have these wax seals here, but you could also use a black candle and just drip that on the top, that's fine. And if you don't have black candle, it's fine to use white. White is a fine alternative. So as I fill the jar, I will explain to you what each ingredient does and why I'm using it. So I've placed my jar in a bowl just in case, as I am pouring the ingredients in, I spill some. The first thing we need to do is cleanse our jar with incense. So I'm going to light my incense. Give everything a good smoke cleanse before you use it. Set your intentions. And we're ready to get started. So our first ingredient for our jar is black salt. So black salt absorbs and repels negative energy. It's a classic protective ingredient in folk magic. It absorbs negative energy, it prevents spiritual attacks, and acts as a powerful shield against harmful influences. Next up is the Himalayan salt. So Himalayan salt is for purification and spiritual cleansing. It's excellent for clearing stagnant energy and forming a strong protective barrier. It works to neutralize negativity and purify your surroundings. It's also beautiful. You must always remember to appreciate nature's beauty. Next up is eggshell or crushed eggshell. So eggshell powder has been used for centuries in protection magic. It creates a natural energetic barrier, preventing psychic attacks and any unwanted energy from reaching you. That's your next layer. Now we have rosemary. So this is for warding off harm. It's one of the strongest herbs for protection. It can help cleanse negative influences while it's strengthening your personal energy field. So we shall get some of those in there. Next we have bay. Bay leaves are often used in protection spells because they create a powerful shield against harm. You can also write a protective affirmation on a bay leaf before adding it to the jar for extra boost of intention. I'm just going to fold this one in. All while thinking protective intentions. Place that in your jar. Next we have our black tourmaline chips. Black tourmaline is one of the best protection stones. It absorbs negativity and prevents harmful energy from sticking to your space. So I'm going to pop that inside. This is also a good one to wear and just have in your space. For protection. Now for the frankincense, you can use resin or oil. I'm going to use the resin. So frankincense has been used for centuries to cleanse spaces and raise spiritual vibrations. They use it in religion as well as witchcraft. It helps to clear out negativity while strengthening protective magic. So I'm going to put some nice large chunks of that in. Get it past the bay leaf, in you go. So this is how it's looking. Next I'm going to add cinnamon. So cinnamon is a fast acting protection. It just doesn't just attract prosperity, it also creates a fast acting protective barrier, helping to keep the bad energy away. And lastly, one of my favourite herbs is lavender. So lavender, you can use the flowers or the oil. I have the dried flowers. So this is for peaceful protection. Lavender adds a layer of calm to protection work. It wards off negativity, but it also ensures that the space remains peaceful and balanced. I love this one. We all need a little peace and calm in our lives. So that's really full now. Full of magic, full of intention. And beautiful too. So I shall pop on my cork. Now it's time to seal it with some wax. So now she's full of all the protection magic and all the intention. I'm going to seal it with some wax. So I have my, I don't know if you can see them in there actually. I've stuck little black wax melts. I shall light my tea light and pop my little device and let that melt. And as I said, you can use a black candle and drip that around to seal it, or if you don't have a black candle, you can use a white candle. So let me just let that melt a moment. While that's melting, I was just thinking, if you could add an extra ingredient to this jar, what would it be? I love hearing different ways people personalize their protection spells. So if you have any extra ingredients or a different method, do let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested to hear. Okay, so that's all melted. I wanted to try something I've not tried before, so this is a little experiment. I've pushed the cork really far in. I want to dunk it rather than pour it and see how that looks. Yes, that's lovely. Just wanted to try that and see how it looked. I'm going to pour the rest on so we don't waste any. Sealing with intention. Now we just need to let that cool down. And there you have your protection jar. I'm going to hold it in my hands, meditate on it, set my intentions on it, and then you can place it near a doorway, under your bed, or carry it with you for protection. I'm going to place this one in my son's room. If you enjoyed this video and want more spell jar ideas, hit that like button because it really helps me know what kind of content you want to see next. I do have more magical DIYs coming if you're interested, and other DIYs too. I'm into all kinds of crafts, not just magical ones. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so then you never miss a video. And if you do make your own protection spell jar, let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And I shall see you again very soon.